आपको स्क्रिप्ट देते हैं but it's just before you go on like.
And we didn't actually know we were going on Big Boss until like the day of.
Junaid, you have one of the greatest actors in this country at home. When you do a scene or you felt you have done a good scene or you feel that this scene I'm doing today, I'm facing some kind of difficulty in it, or you want to show some of your work to Amir sir, what is it a very natural thing कि पापा है मैं आपका काम दिखाऊंगा कि that hesitation comes कि यार पापा ने इतना क्या क्या काम किया अभी मैं दिखाऊंगा इनको मेरा ये चीज तो ज्यादा क्रिटिसाइज तो नहीं करेंगे मुझे?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. No, if I have a technical question, I ask him, and he always has the best advice. But yeah, otherwise I don't necessarily go around showing.
Do you constantly discuss scenes with him, or you leave it up to you?
No, I think we try and avoid discussing work at home. Yeah, no, no. You know, he's got 40 years of experience, and he always he'll have an answer to any question you may have. But I feel that I only ask him if I have something specific I want to ask him. I say randomly, without any proper agenda of wanting to know something, I feel it's a waste of his time and mine.
And which brings me to the next question. Have you set it on your, it's an agenda कि भाई मैं जब भी फिल्म करूँगा मेरा फिल्म के साथ मेरा एक्टिंग का वर्कशॉप भी हो जाएगा कि आई कीप बिकमिंग अ बेटर एक्टर? पहले जयदीप अलावत के साथ महाराज, one of the most widely watched movies on Netflix. Then Ashutosh Rana, and thank you. And now Ashutosh Rana. So आपने पहले ठान लिया स्क्रिप्ट बाद में देख रहे हो फिल्म नहीं? ये एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर है मैं अपना एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप कर लूंगा.
देखिए कास्टिंग में मेरी कोई मतलब I have no say in casting. But I have been lucky to work with like the best of the best. I mean Ashutosh Rana ji, Kiku sir, Grusha ma'am, Jaideep sir, lots of other actors in Maharaj also very, very senior. Utkarsh ji has been doing this since before my father was born. I've seen him on stage as well. He's just fantastic. Dharam, Viraf, Sneha herself is a fantastic actor, coming from Gujarati theatre. So yeah, I mean, I have been fortunate to work with like such fantastic people, and you know it's always such fun to work with good like these guys because they bring so much here. They make the scene better. People keep asking me, were you afraid of working with Ashutosh ji? Were you scared? You know, I'm like, no. They make my performance better because that's what acting is, right? Every scene is a give and take. And they give so much. There's so much to work off of that. It makes the performance better.
अगर थर्ड फिल्म में ऐसे कोई दिग्गज कलाकार होंगे, then I'm going to be establishing it. नहीं, ये आपका एजेंडा है.
अरे है.
Okay, coming to your debut, it was a very, very different kind of film. In fact, it was more like your friends, the people like you hang around with, your buddies. You all did a film together. How difficult it was to like actually get serious on set, considering you all with Suhana and all, there has been so much of childhood memories, and also how difficult it was to actually break free from that and get serious on set.
I mean, we came to make a film, so it was not that difficult. We were all very serious and focused because we had a lot of extensive prep that we had to do. We had around 6 months of training of dancing and swimming and skating and cycling and acting and singing. There was lots of practice that went into it. So I think we were all very, very prepared with the skills we needed to learn and practice before we came on set. And I think the fact that we all were so close in age and going through the same journey together made it more comfortable for all of us. So I think it was a great bonus that there were so many people debuting at the same time because it just made it all the more comfortable for everyone.
There was a film that came some years ago. Amir saw back that film, Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. Have you all seen it? Lovely film, right? Lovely film. Pappu Ka Dance Sala. But so that was like the millennial love story. That was the quintessential millennial love story. Now this film is coming, Love Ya Pa. This seems like the quintessential Gen Z love story. Amir sir had backed that film. Here also, he has been very active during the launch and all of this movie. So, do you feel that this is going to be the Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na for Gen Zs?
I mean, that would be like a dream come true. No, but he's been very, very sweet. He launched our trailer for us, and he's been very, very supportive and very, very. He came with us to Big Boss. Yeah, and he likes the film. So, I mean, that's very
वो
encouraging.
बड़ा टिक मार्क है.
Huh.
Yes.
And he likes the film enough to do this for us, because if he didn't, he would not.
Okay, we'll take your word on that. We'll definitely take your word on that. Your Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na moment is coming, I think so, in a few weeks.
Let's hope so.
Yes, definitely. But since you mentioned Big Boss, it was your first time on the Big Boss set for both of you?
Yeah, I mean, I think in general, this whole promotion seems like a lot of first times for me. So,
I've got to ask, Amir Day, Salman sir over there, they created that Andaz Apna Apna bike movement also. How was the entire Big Boss experience? Because it was overwhelming. We were also there, obviously covering the contestants, the interviews and all. But what was that experience on the Big Boss set? It can be maddening at times. What was your experience?
You know, it was fascinating how they work, yeah? Because it's practically live. It's going like about 1 hour delayed. So, आपको script देते हैं, but it's just before you go on, like half an hour before you go on, आपको script दिया हुआ है. So you can't really learn anything. And everything is in-ear. They have an in-ear piece. So the whole thing happens in-ear, and they're editing it on the fly, and it's being broadcast like 1 hour later while it's going on. So it was really fascinating. It was just how they go about doing it was fascinating.
It is something you saw that took you by surprise when you were on the Big Boss set. It is very different to actually being on a film set.
yeah,
right?
no, I mean, I was very intimidated actually after getting there because Big Boss is so huge, it's watched by millions of people. And we didn't actually know we were going on Big Boss until like the day of. Or
Yeah,
something.
like
Really?
4 hours before, yeah.
Oh yeah.
4 hours before, they were like, okay, we are doing Big Boss. I was like, when? Like, in 4 hours, get to Film City by 5 p.m.
इसी से पता चलता कि मीडिया को खबरें पहले ही मिल जाती है.
हाँ.
हम लोग को मालूम था.
अच्छा, कब
हाँ.
मालूम था आपको?
ओके, दो तीन दिन पहले ही पता था.
अच्छा?
तो आप हमें बता
अरे यार,
इसलिए
नहीं बताया हम लोग को?
इसलिए तो हम मीडिया है ना, इसीलिए तो हम मीडिया है. Okay, Love Yapa trailer. Once the entire trailer was cut, or the entire movie, I think Amir sir has seen the final full film.
Yeah.
Yes. His
मतलब copy नहीं आई अभी तक, so
Okay.
work in progress.
So
obviously.
his first honest reaction to the film and your performance, both your performance.
No, he really loved it. He genuinely loved it. Like, he really liked Maharaj as well, but he saw this and then he offered to launch the trailer.
Okay.
So he loved it
only
enough.
only after that seeing the film.
Yeah.
That is so Amir sir.
Yeah.
That is so Amir.
वही मैं
sir.
बोल रहा हूँ, he loved it enough to be like, I'll launch your trailer for you, I'll help you promote the film. He may like things, but and he is actually a lovely audience. He likes most things.
I mean, I remember, I won't name the film, but there was a cameo somebody wanted. And it was like, सिर्फ cameo था. I remember the story and Amir sir was like, send me the script of the entire film. फिर मैं cameo करूँगा.
Yeah. So he saw the film and then he offered to launch the trailer and be there with us for promotions and things like that. So I think he liked the film very much.
I think I can call you all the Gen Z actors of Bollywood.
अच्छा,
Yeah. बुला सकते हैं ना इनको Gen Z actors of Bollywood?
अच्छा.
Yes. So coming to the Gen Z actors of Bollywood, if we see the filmography choice also of many actors, like if you see Janvi herself, after Dhadak, there has been Gunjan, there has been Ruhi, Good Luck Jerry, Millie, very, 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 very different choice. Recently there was Ulaj. If you see even the male counterparts, Ishan debuted with Majid Majidi in Beyond the Clouds. And then he did Phone Booth, even Siddhant Chaturvedi, Kho Gaye Hum Kha. So it is very, very, very different. Ananya has done Control recently. You did not see this earlier. It used to be rom-com or action. Rom-com or action. This very, what do you think so, as people, who have been part of the film industry in general, what do you think so has brought about so much confidence in young actors? कि भाई मैं एकदम ही अनोखा script चुन सकता.
I think it's the industry is changing, filmmakers are changing. I don't think it's so much about the actors. मतलब हम लोग काम मिलता है हम लोग करेंगे. I got a film like Maharaj to do. I'm not going to turn it down. I don't see like why should I? So I think it's more of a industry shift than an actor shift.
Industry shift.
I don't
Yeah, that's a
think
good-
I don't think we're in a position to be like हम लोग सिर्फ इस type की फिल्में करेंगे. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I
अच्छी
think
film आए, you have a big person, like you have somebody you trust to make it well, you do it quietly. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
no,
cut
no,
you off.
I was going to cut you off. I'm sorry. I was just going to say that it's just the scripts that you're being offered are maybe different now, and the scripts that people were being offered then were probably different.
So people are writing very different scripts.
I think people are writing more scripts now, and I think because of OTT, there's also more content being put out constantly. Before, I think there was just people going to movie theaters to watch films, and now I think there's so many platforms where you can watch and consume movies, TV shows, and just content in general. So I think that's why people are getting more confident to write more different genres, more different types of movies, and I think that's why actors are getting more different work.
OTT की भी बात करें, it would have been unheard of कि some years ago Amir Khan's son is debuting on OTT. Sridevi's and Bonnie Kapoor's daughter, Janvi's sister, is debuting straight to OTT. Okay, this is something that people would have scoffed at. Now, there's such a, and again this thing about you all coming straight to OTT. Was that you all were okay with the plan? Was that always the plan with Maharaj and Achis? And from way that your entire film crew, the discussions you all have कि हम OTT पे आ सकते हैं, चलता है. How did that happen?
Well, at least when it comes to Maharaj, we started making the film in February of 2020. So it was some years ago, and I mean, I think it was written for theaters. And we shot it from February to August of 2021. But how to distribute a film so that it reaches the best possible, the maximum possible audience is something that personally I will heed the better judgment of my producers and distributors because they know more about it than I do. I mean, Yashraj and Adi sir have been doing this now they're the biggest producers in the country. They obviously know what they're doing. So, I will always heed their better judgment on where to come. As far as I'm concerned, I would like as many people as possible to watch my film. And they know how to do that better than me. So, yeah, I don't particularly have that much of an opinion of how you're going to distribute my film.
This is in fact a more bigger question for Achis also. You have Suhana, you have Agastya. And I can just see the billboard, say in the 90s or the early 2000s. हर जगह पे पोस्टर छपता था. Agastya, Suhana, Khushi, Shahrukh's daughter, Janvi.
We had many other people.
Yes, I'm going through that also. But I'm talking about the shift. These posters would have been everywhere. Because I remember while going to school, now we don't even see posters on walls. हर जगह पे वो पोस्ट बॉक्स होता था ना, उसके ऊपर भी पोस्टर्स वगैरह छपती थी. यस, एक के बाद एक. एंड हम लोग जब स्कूल के लिए जा रहे थे, वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट पीक आउट द विंडो क्योंकि हम अरे यार ये फिल्म आ रही है, कब आ रही है, थोड़ा रिक्शा थोड़ा धीरे से चलाओ, अच्छा ये फिल्म आ रही है इस टाइम पे आ रही है. दिस हैज कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड. वाज देयर एवर अ कन्वर्सेशन टू ब्रिंग Achis on the big screen ever?
No, I mean it was a Netflix project from the start, so it was never a conversation. But I think as actors, you read scripts and you get attracted to the story, not where it's being put. Of course, you want everyone to watch your movie, but I don't think deciding whether it's going on OTT or theaters would affect my decision so much to do or not do a film. At the end of it, a film, if it's good, it will find its audience, it will find its space, and it will get the appreciation it deserves if it's a good film and if you've done a good job. So I don't think it should matter whether it comes on OTT or whether it reaches theaters. Eventually, it will find its space, is what I believe.
I think she made a very valid point. We all loved Maharaj. We all loved Achis. Right, guys? Yes, we all loved these films.